friends, welcome to my channel. Day in and day out, we do a lot of calculations for various activities, be it for office purpose or for maintaining the household things. If the calculation is so simple, we do some mental calculations to solve it. If it involves big numbers that demands accuracy of data, then the obvious option is to go for the calculator. In this video, we are going to look at the calculator program in Python. This code is going to reciprocate the scientific calculator, which includes simple arithmetic operations and also square root, logarithmic and trigonometric operations. And for this purpose, we are going to import the math module. So I'm going to have a while loop that is going to execute for an infinite number of times till the user terminates the program. My first step would be to request the user to enter his or her choice of operation. And for each of the operations, I'm going to have a separate logic to do that arithmetic calculation. So I have an if loop which is going to check for the user input, and accordingly it is going to perform that operation. So in each case, we need to get the user input, and getting that user input is going to be a very repetitive work. Also, in some cases, like the basic arithmetic operations, we need two input values, whereas for the logarithmic and the trigonometric operations, we need only one input value. So the input value cannot be generalized for all the operations that we are going to perform in this calculator. For this purpose, I'm going to have two functions. One function which is going to take care of getting only one input value, and the other function which is going to take two input values, and it is going to return me to the corresponding if block. And in the if block, I'm going to call this function and get the values assigned to one or two variables and accordingly perform the calculation. So this is all about the coding part. Now let's get into the program execution. When I execute this code, I'll first get the welcome message which says, "Hey there, I'm your scientific calculator and I'm going to help you with the calculations." So I'll be prompted to enter my choice of calculation, which is the list of arithmetic operators, the square, square root, logarithmic and the trigonometric operators. Let me first give plus. So I'm going to add two values. Enter the first value. Next I'm going to enter the second value. And the output is going to be like this, which says 32 plus 56 equal to 88. Same is the case for other operators. Now let's try for multiplication. And this is going to be the value. For square, I'll give square, enter the value 6, and it's going to say square of 6 is 36. For square root of 64, it's going to return me 8. Next, let's try sign, where I'll have to enter a value, but by mistake I enter some letter. So it is going to say invalid input, please try again. So I'll give sign followed by some value, and it is going to give me the sign value of that particular number. And this is all about the implementation of scientific calculator using the Python program. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on new videos related to Python and data science.